Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Trust me when I say I was not surprised at all when I come across this interesting story because men normally do that. Apparently, Ogel cancelled the Lobola negotiations after Ogai have been cheating on her. And guess what? Now Ogai is threatening Ogel that he is going to take himself out. But Ogel took this as actually a joke because she's all over TikTok posting about this and tagging him also, guys. At this point, I'm just asking myself what's going on with the guy because I tried to check his account. Guess what? He have privatized his account. He knew that the pressure that will come towards him will be just too much for him. And probably he thought Ogel will be like any other girl out there. Remember, women are being cheated on every day, and it has been normalized, man. Ugutu is a normal thing. All men do that, and now here she is. She have cancelled everything, and wherever he is, I'm 100% sure that he cannot believe it that this is really happening. Ogel is on social media posting and also tagging him. I don't think Ogai will ever want to see this girl again because what do you mean she's all over TikTok embarrassing him and she's still posting, guys. She is still posting about this whole change that just happened. And anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification button so that you get notified every time I post.